Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, I'm Emily from Mecca Maxima and I'm here to show you how to get curls with a straightener. So you ready to see my hair in all its natural glory? So wild. Even though my hair's pretty curly already, all you curly haired girls know that it's never exactly the way you want it. So I'm gonna show you how to make it a little more chic. Let's get into it. So I'm just gonna section it so it's a little more manageable when I'm curling. First, I'm gonna take the GHD Thermal Spray and a couple of light spritzes is all you need. The key with curling your hair with a straightener is just nice soft fluid motions and making sure you're curling away from the face. So I'm just gonna take a small little section, right at the root, straighten just a little, and around about my ear, I'm just gonna turn once and then pull it through. And while it's still warm, curl my finger around. So you just repeat the process, and you can touch the outside of this straightener because the heat doesn't come through. So I get a little bit weird on this side of my face because I am right-handed, so I have to come up from underneath, but still using the same principle as before. Not too big, not too small, or too thick a section. Done. Next section. I just comb it through with my fingers, or you can use a brush if it's quite knotty. The cleaner your hair is, the easier the straightener will glide through. So I usually take a thinner layer the closer to the top of my head I get, because these curls are the most visible ones. While you're layering, it's really handy if you've already parted where you normally part your hair, so that way you don't have to mess with the curls too much once you're finished. This is the last one. Little drum roll, please. Done. So this is the part where I like to just reassess and make sure I haven't missed any key pieces and recurl wherever I need to. Really happy with the way that my hair is now. I just want to add a little bit of texture and zhuzh it up a bit. So my favorite to use is the Bumble Thickening Spray. Just shake it up and lift parts of my hair, spray it underneath, and then tousle it up with my fingers. I absolutely adore this product because it gives me just the right amount of texture without leaving my hair crunchy or coarse. And the final touch, just tuck this side back and I'm ready to roll. I love wearing this hairstyle anywhere I go. It's a really simple way to just make my hair look really styled but not too polished. So that's it. That's how I curl my hair with a straightener. Super quick, easy and simple. Make sure you give me a little thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.